The solar system. The word solar is derived from a Latin word sol, meaning sun. The solar system is the family of the sun. It consists of the sun at the center, the 8 planets, their satellites, the asteroids, meteoroids, and comets, all of which move around the sun. Let us find out a little more about them. The sun. The sun is at the center of the solar system. It is stationary. All the other members of the solar system revolve around it. The huge mass of the sun gives it a very powerful force of gravity. This force holds the Earth and other planets in their orbits, just as the planets' gravitational pull keeps their moons in orbit around them. The sun is made up of intensely hot, burning gases and has a surface temperature of about 6,000 degrees Celsius. It is the vital source of heat and light energy required by all forms of life on the Earth. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. This light is reflected by the planets and their satellites. We are thus able to see them in the sky, even though they do not have their own light. Planets. A planet is a huge celestial body that revolves around the sun. The word planet is derived from a Greek word meaning wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planet is an object that orbits around the sun. Planets do not have their own heat and light, as they are made up of solid materials and gases. They reflect the light received from the sun. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun, while Neptune is the farthest. Jupiter is the largest planet and Mercury is the smallest. In descending order of their size, the planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Venus is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and the moon. It is often called the morning star when it is seen in the sky before sunrise, and the evening star when seen in the sky after the sunset. Mars has a reddish appearance and is referred to as the red planet. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. It has rings around it. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as the inner planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as the outer planets. The Earth. Our Earth is the 5th largest planet and the 3rd nearest to the sun. It is spherical in shape, slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This shape is described as a geoid. Our Earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system where life is known to exist. Why is life possible on the Earth? Suitable temperature. The amount of heat received by a planet depends upon its distance from the sun. The Earth is neither too far from the sun nor too close to it. Thus, it is neither too hot like Mercury nor too cold like Neptune. The moderate temperature conditions on the Earth are favorable for plant and animal life. Presence of atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and ozone, all of which are necessary for plant and animal life. Presence of water. The atmospheric conditions on the Earth are such that a water cycle exists. Due to this, water in the liquid form is available continuously to all living beings. In fact, the Earth looks blue in color from outer space because about 2/3 of its surface is covered with water. That is why it is often referred to as the blue planet. Satellites. The moon is a satellite of the Earth. The word satellite is derived from the Latin word satellus, meaning a companion or an attendant. Planets are small heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. Their satellites also accompany them in their revolution. Like planets, the satellites also do not have any heat or light of their own. They shine by reflecting the light from the sun. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellites. The moon. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. The diameter of the moon is about 1/4 of the Earth's diameter. But then, why does it appear as big as the sun? This is because it is closer to us than the sun. It is situated at a distance of about 3,84,400 km from the Earth. The moon has no light of its own. What we see as moonlight is actually the sun's light reflected by the moon. This light reaches us in about 1.25 seconds. The moon appears in the sky in different shapes. These are called phases of the moon. When the moon looks like a full disk, it is called the full moon or Purnima. When the side of the moon facing us does not receive sunlight, we cannot see the moon. This is known as the new moon or Amavasya.